Hello dear fans. How to make boric acid. Boric acid has the formula H3BO3, the appearance is crystals of scaly appearance, which do not have color and odor. It is a weak acid, it remains stable only up to a temperature of no more than 70 degrees. How can you get this substance? Instructions. Step 1. When the temperature limit is exceeded, the following reaction occurs. H3BO3 equals HBO2 plus H2O. As a result, metaboric acid is obtained, which is also very unstable. If you continue heating, metaboric acid is converted to tetraboric acid, H2B4O7, which decomposes almost immediately. H2B4O7 equals 2B2O3 plus H2O. Step 2. In industry, the main method for producing boric acid is the action of sulfuric acid on boron-containing concentrates. For example, on the so-called dadolite concentrate, which is a raw material of complex composition. Its main components are dadolite, formula CaBCO4, OH, quartz, calcite, as well as complex compounds containing iron, aluminum, magnesium, calcium. In a highly simplified form, this reaction can be written like this. CaBCO4, OH, plus H2SO4 equals H3BO3 plus SiO2 plus CaSO4. Step 3. The desired reaction product, boric acid, is separated from the product mixture by washing with a large amount of water, then it is filtered, cooled, isolated, and purified to the required degree of purity. Step 4. Under laboratory conditions, boric acid can be obtained by exposing borax to a strong acid, e.g., hydrochloric acid, i.e., the disodium salt of tetraboric acid. The reaction must be carried out with heating in a large excess of water. It goes like this. HCl plus 5H2O plus Na2B4O7 equals 4H3BO3 plus 2NaCl. After cooling the reaction mixture, the resulting boric acid falls out in the form of flakes. They should be separated and further cleaned. Thanks for watching.